Hello and good afternoon. I'm just having a morning cup of cacao, and I've got this app here all about micronutrients and chocolate. In it, it has iron, copper, potassium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. The copper and the potassium particularly good. They're not in a lot of foods. And if anyone wants that app, it's called the Micronutrient Path. So message me because I created it and I'll be fundraising for it shortly. Anyway, I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to make a really good cacao. No ceremonies necessary. So here we go. Here it is. And I've got it right there. There we go. So start off these ingredients. You've got your cacao. I'll use like a handful of that one, and then I like to use a cup of the oat milk, and that's organic. It's got very little extra ingredients from uprooted, and then I use buckwheat for the flour, and that also has 9 amino acids, and it's very good. Vegans get their protein plus other things, so there's potassium in the oat milk as well as other stuff like copper. So first of all, you've got a handful of cacao in a pan, and then you're mixing it up like I've done there. And then next, in case you on TikTok, I put that there. Next, I've added cinnamon, chili pepper, and guarana. There's the guarana that comes from somewhere in Brighton. Got it online. Then the cup of oat milk goes in, and then all in one go, like making roux, literally the same. You can put all your milk into the flour and the fats, and then just keep stirring until. How did I get there? Right, so just keep stirring. I missed a slide until it's thick, and then put it in a cup. So yeah, so if you want a access free to an app all about the vitamins and minerals we need, the foods we get them from, other sources like vitamin D from the sun, and the supplements to fill gaps left in your diet, so it works for any diet, then please comment and get in touch, and I'll give you exclusive access to my data, very fingertip like style data, or even the app. So there we go. So I'm on these places. So take a snapshot of that, and I'll see you on social media. Thank you for watching and enjoy your cacao. So